If a plumbing repair causes water damage, the plumber or the company they work for is usually responsible for fixing the damage. But it depends on whether the mistake was caused by negligence or whether it was an unexpected problem that could not have been predicted. Here's how this works in simple terms. When a plumber works on your pipes, sinks, or water heater, they are expected to do the job carefully and correctly. If they make a careless mistake, like forgetting to tighten a connection or using the wrong part, and that mistake causes a leak that ruins your floor or wall, then the plumber is usually on the hook for repairing that damage too. This is because most licensed plumbers carry something called liability insurance, which is money set aside specifically to pay for accidents like this. Something a lot of people do not know is that many plumbers also carry a completely separate type of coverage called a surety bond, which protects you even further if the plumber refuses to pay or disappears. Before hiring anyone, it is smart to actually ask to see proof of both their insurance and their bond, not just take their word for it. This one simple step can save you thousands of dollars in headaches later. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming their own homeowner's insurance will automatically cover damage caused by a plumber's error, when in reality, the plumber's insurance should be billed first. Another big misconception is thinking that verbal promises from a contractor mean anything legally, so always get repair agreements and damage claims in writing. People also forget to take photos and videos of the damage immediately after it happens, and without that evidence, it becomes much harder to prove what happened and who caused it. So document everything right away with your phone. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job-It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.